Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your Amiga. How are you all doing? I'm doing super good. So today I'm back with an excited video regarding the products which I regret buying. I have purchased few products which are too costly and also overhyped. But the sad part is that they didn't work for me. See, even the product is too costly or it is overhyped, it is not necessary that they have to work for you. Each and every skin type is different, each and every body is different, each and every skin concern is different. So according to that, we have to choose the products. And one more thing I want to mention is like, I'm not against any brands and I'm not degrading any brands. So I'm sharing my personal experience so that it would be useful for some others who are having the same skin type like me and same concerns like me. So why late? Let's get into the video. So my first product would be from Fix Derma. And this is recommended by a dermatologist for me. So for brightening as well as for pigmentation and uneven skin tone, though it is recommended by a dermatologist, I don't know, it didn't work for me. So the main concern with this one is like it is so greasy. Of course, I like the packaging. The packaging is really good. Of course, it sits on your skin and also I felt it really oily. And though I have used for more than 15 days, maybe more than 15 days, I mean nearly for a month I have used, but I didn't see any results. So that's why I didn't like this one. Second product would be from Momsco. And we all know that Momsco is really a good brand. Actually, let me tell you that I got this product for free. So I was like very excited to try this out because you know that it is really very hyped. But seriously, I really got disappointed because the first thing is like, I don't like heavy fragrances. I'm really allergic to heavy fragrances. So fragrance itself has disappointed me. You know, it just smells like a waxing cream. See, when we go to salon, we opt for waxing, right, for hair removal. It is similar kind of smell. So that's why I was not able to try it out. I haven't used much because I was really disappointed by the fragrance itself. And it is forming a white cast. It doesn't blend properly. It just leaves the white cast on your skin. So that's why I didn't like this one. And the next one is really surprising. So this is a very overhyped. You might have heard about this brand around Instagram and many of the influencers have raved about this product and even I also got very excited. Product is from Cosrx. Cosrx Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. So it is usually an essence. Essence is neither a serum nor a moisturizer. After cleaning your face, you have to apply a toner and you have to apply essence and then on it serum and then moisturizer. But I was like utterly disappointed. See, the first thing why I didn't like it, it is really greasy. It just sits on your skin. It doesn't blend into your skin. It just makes your skin look so dull. So that's why I didn't like the product and it is a big no. And the fourth product is from Pixi. This is a Pixi Glow Tonic. It is just like a toner. So it is nothing but a toner. So let me say you that it is an exfoliator. It is a glycolic acid exfoliator. So it has glycolic acid in it. It just treats the uneven skin tone. It just brightens up your skin and also it gives a healthy glow to the skin. Also, it is too costly. You know what? It just smells like a nail polish actually. When I have tried this product, I was really surprised. I thought that maybe I got some duplicate product. Though it smells like that, I have tried it. You should not exfoliate more than once or twice in a week. So I started using it twice a week, but I didn't see much results. To be frank, I didn't see much results. I mean, it is not up to the mark. Previously, I have used the same toner, same glycolic toner from other brand, that is from Dr. Sheth's. It is like a gem of a product. So I thought like, okay, let me try this Pixi Glow Tonic. But I was really disappointed. And the last but not least product is from Eclat. Eclat Fade Out Serum. The packaging is really good, I have to say that. We have many products in the market which can do much wonders to your skin more than this. So it just treats your uneven skin tone, it removes pigmentation and most probably it will remove the acne scars. This helps in fading out that marks or scars and all. I don't say that it didn't work for me. It had worked for me. It cost you around 2000. I would say that we have many other products in the market which are of less cost but same effective as this. So finally, these are the 5 products which have disappointed me. And again, I want to say that I'm not against any brand. I'm just saying my opinion and my experience. If you want to try out these products and if your skin seem to be different from my skin type, you can definitely give it a try. And yeah, that's it from my side. So also please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in another beautiful video. Bye.